Are you tired because you had trouble sleeping last night? If so, here's a 2-minute method to help you relax and fall asleep almost instantly. And it really works. I just did it and I really want to take a nap right now. It's called the 4-7-8 breathing technique. You might have heard about it. You're going to inhale from your nose for 4 seconds. You're going to hold your breath for 7 seconds and then exhale slowly out of your mouth for 8 seconds. It goes something like this. We're going to start off by exhaling all that air from our mouth. Then inhale for 4 seconds from your nose. Hold for 7 seconds. And exhale from your mouth for 8. Do it again. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to repeat that 4 times. If you can't hold your breath for that long, that's no problem. You can make it a bit faster. Just try to keep the same ratio. The reason why we do this at night helps reduce the anxiety and stress levels in your body. Your breathing pattern is such an important component. Once you're able to take control of it, you're going to notice a huge difference.